How to turn off swipe down on lock screen Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off swipe down on lock screen on an Android phone. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch settings on your device. On the settings section, scroll down. Locate notifications and status bar option. Select that and open it. Here you will get a bunch of options. Simply to turn off swipe down on lock screen, locate lock screen under by location. Tap on it and here you will get the three options. Simply you need to locate swipe down on lock screen to view notification drawer. If you see the button is toggle on in this way, simply tap on the bottle and then turn it to gray, and this will help us to turn off swipe down on lock screen on an Android phone. Now, swipe down feature will not work on your lock screen on your Android device. That is how we turn off swipe down on lock screen on an Android phone. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.